North Pole.
Look, Santa's toy factory. Let's go inside. We're walking through the snow tonight. Shiny windows full of light. Magic doors open wide, come on in. The elves all cried. Little toys will spin around. Music makes a happy sound. Tutu laughs and Bella too. Santa waves and shouts, woohoo! Welcome to Santa's Toy Factory, full of joy and happy energy. Tutu Bella sing along with glee. Ho ho ho, it's Christmas fun for you and me. Welcome to Santa's Toy Factory, snowflakes falling like a melody. Clap your hands and sing it loud with me. Ho ho ho, it's Christmas fun for you and me. Tutu paints a little truck. Bella hugs a bear for luck. Elves go jingle, jingle, jing. Everything begins to sing. Candy canes and tiny drums. Laughing elves on rolling plums. Sun, 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 sun. Santa smiles, you two shine bright, spreading joy this snowy night. Welcome to Santa's Toy Factory, where every heart feels warm and free. Sing it loud, as happy as can be. Ho ho ho, it's Christmas fun for you and me. Bella wraps a gift with bows. Tutu builds a train that glows. Sparkles dance around their feet. Every moment feels so sweet. Santa checks his list again. Kids who help are true best friends. He winks and laughs. Come take a peek. Magic happens every week. Close your eyes and take a breath. Snowflakes twirl like dancers, yes. Lights go twinkle soft and bright. Stars are singing through the night. Stars are singing in the night. Wish upon a Christmas star. Dreams can fly from near to far. Hold the magic in your heart. Every day's a brand new start. Welcome to Santa's Toy Factory, full of love and sparkling harmony. Jump and spin and shout it joyfully. Ho ho ho, it's Christmas fun for you and me. Welcome to Santa's Toy Factory, shining lights and snowy memory. One more time, sing it happily. Ho ho ho, it's Christmas fun for you and me. Thanks for helping us make toys today. Merry Christmas! We love you so much! Ho ho ho! See you in the next adventure.
Did you enjoy learning with us? Then give us a like and share with your friends. That's right. Subscribe to our channel and come play and learn more with us. See you soon.